Let's celebrate the growing number of the new Latin inscriptions in the environment, namely Northeast Bohemia in Central Europe. Let's celebrate that tendency to create something beautiful and meaningful, either to continue a spiritual tradition or to establish a new one. This remarkable Baroque building contains the tomb of Saint Zdislava, a noblewoman and a lay Dominican from the 13th century. It's very relevant today as the patron saint of families and the whole region she and her husband established. The place being a center of continued devotion, a recent inscription had to be added commemorating elevating this church to Basilica Minor. It happened during the personal visit of Pope John Paul II, and the title Basilica Minor reflects the importance of the place and makes it Pope's own church. And the inscription says, Hoc sanctuarium ad basilicae minoris gradum dignitatemque evectum est. This church has been elevated to Basilica Minor to its honors and its grade. On tops of the highest mountain range of my country, just next to the hotel, there's a newly built stone chapel of St. Francis. It's just one of many recently built stone or wooden chapels that bring so much of spiritual depth and meaning back to the area. Next to the chapel, there's a relief carved in stone with this inscription: Gloria in excelsis Deo, et in terra pax hominibus bonae voluntatis. Meaning in English, glory be in the heights to God, and in the earth peace to people of good will. This sentence from Luke's Gospel is connected with Christmas and angels rejoicing over the birth of Jesus. This way it provides inspiration to meditation for pilgrims in the wild nature of the mountains. This cross is a centerpiece in yet another new chapel built by a single man to provide a spiritual space in his village. The inscription running from above the head to the left hand and to the right hand reads, In hoc signo vinces. In this sign you will win. Formerly a promise given in the 4th century to the Roman Emperor Constantine the night before a crucial battle. The battle won, persecution of Christians was stopped, and Christianity made a legal religion instead. Nowadays, everybody can relate to this promise and seek help. Let's rejoice the Latin heritage is passed on to future generations, enriched with new meaningful additions.